Hey, what's up everyone? This is that video for this 5-ounce Egyptian coin. We are live. What? $401. $401. Got the list here. We have 10 entries. Matthew on the top, Matthew on the bottom. We need 2 dice, 5 or higher. Really wants to do 3. 10 times. 401. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times. You got Sam on the top. You must go 10. Good luck. Wish 401. 401. Last and final roll. Top spot gets this 5-ounce Egyptian coin. Congratulations goes to spot 1, Matthew. Congratulations, Matthew. Send me a PM and I'll get this out to you as soon as possible. We are done at 402. 402. Or 401, just switched over. Congratulations again, Matthew. So everyone else, thanks for playing. Have a good evening. Take care.